Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler J. Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. Let's have a real conversation today. No fluff, no sales pitch, just an honest message that every implant patient needs to hear. Dental implants aren't something that you can return. They're not a pair of shoes, they're not an Amazon order. They're permanent surgical procedures. And if you choose the wrong provider, rush the process, or go for the cheapest deal, it can have life-altering consequences. This video is about patient responsibility and provider transparency, because too many people come to us needing corrections or revisions, not because they made a bad decision, but because they didn't have all the facts when they made it. Dental implants are a medical procedure. They're not just cosmetic dentistry. We're talking about surgery, bone integration, long-term prosthetics, critical structures like nerves, sinuses, and your jawbone. Once that implant is placed and bone starts to integrate, you can't just swap it out. If you don't like it the way it looks or feels, too bad. You can't return it like a car lease or exchange it like a shirt that didn't fit. If it fails or it's poorly done, you're now looking at repair surgeries, added costs, and in some cases, permanent bone loss. We see ads all the time. $8,000, $7,999, all on 4. New smile in a day. But here's the part that those ads don't tell you. The price often doesn't include extractions, sedation, bone grafting, or your final teeth. The materials may be low quality or outsourced. The workflow may be rushed, surgery one day and then final teeth the next, then see you later. There's little to no follow-up, or if something goes wrong, you're on your own. We've treated patients who came to us after getting one of those deals somewhere else, only to find out that the implants weren't placed properly, or the prosthetics weren't designed in a way that was natural to the patient, because the patient never even had the opportunity to try out their teeth. It's like buying a car without a test drive. By the time they got to us, the damage was already done, and fixing it is harder, more expensive, and more painful than just doing it right the first time. Choosing the right provider means asking the right questions. Let me be clear. I'm not trying to make this about bad providers. Most dentists are genuinely just doing the best they can with what they know. What I do mean to say though, is that I think there's a huge knowledge gap between what patients think they're getting and what they're actually getting for their hard-earned money. My goal is to help you ask better questions. Here's what you need to ask before you commit to anybody. First off, what's included in your total fee? Are my final teeth made out of zirconia, acrylic, or something else? Will I have a trial smile before we go to the final material? How do you ensure that implants are properly placed and integrated? Who do I contact if I have an issue after treatment? If they can't answer you clearly, or they rush through it with rehearsed answers, that's probably a red flag. This is your body, your health, and your smile. You deserve more than a fast-talking sales pitch. Our commitment at Smile Now. At Smile Now, here's what we believe. Dental implants should be done once and done right. Every patient deserves clear, transparent pricing, no hidden costs. Your final teeth should be custom designed, not pulled from a drawer. We respect the biological timeline and never rush to final for the sake of convenience. And if something feels off, we're here, local, and responsible for our work. We don't offer fast and cheap. We offer deliberate, patient-focused, long-term solutions. Because when it comes to your health, shortcuts don't just fail. They leave lasting and sometimes permanent damage. You only get one chance at a first smile. If you're considering dental implants, here's my advice. Take your time. Ask questions. Compare providers. Don't just choose based solely on price. Choose based on trust, quality, and accountability. Because once those implants are in, they're in. And the only thing worse than no implants is bad implants. So if you're ready to explore implants the right way, without pressure, without surprises, without shortcuts, we're here to help. Click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll walk you through your options, your timeline, and your total costs so you can make an informed decision with confidence. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more honest conversations about full arch dentistry and how to protect your smile before it's too late. See you in the next video.